is Hyundai Heavy Industries, one of the biggest shipyards in the world. It's what makes modern life possible. Is that Parmesan? Oh wait, there's risotto underneath. That's what happens when you say all you can eat Parmesan. That over there is the beach I was at, swimming. It's beautiful, a nice little crescent. And then Hyundai Heavy Industries, where they build ships. And this is some beach hair at its finest, with a nice background. See, the water's pretty clean and clear. You can see the rocks in there. Beautiful color. Just a nice place to be. Ilsan Beach. The nature in Korea is pretty nice. Got these nice fancy trails everywhere. Beautiful trees. I like it. Well, I guess they are playing volleyball with their feet. Look at this view. I swam to just about there, from just about there, last week. She is angry today, my friends. No good. Oh my god. Oh, this is no good. Ah! Soaked. I wish. Damn it. It's like the best hike ever. Coolest rocks ever. And the biggest waves ever. It's a lot of fun. Just found a skull right here on the sea cliffs. What do you think it is, Wayne?
I have no idea.
What died here? Now, those teeth look pretty sharp, like they're meant for slicing meat, so I'm thinking it's a carnivore. No other clues as to what it might be. It is Crab City on these cliffs. Watch them eat. Look. Oh, they're scooping stuff up off the rock and eating. Disgusting. Korea has drawn blood. I am one with Korea now. It's so nice. Oh, Korea, you so corny. Or cute. Or corny. I don't know. This is exercise equipment on top of a really big hill in nature. And that's exercise equipment. So I love Korea. I reckon that's a drilling ship. I don't know. But it sure is pretty at night. That's pretty cool. Also, welcome to this very awesome and futuristic pedestrian river crossing and bike.